Hello friends! Today I share with you an art activity that you can do to set yourself up on a good path for this new year. And that is creating a vision board. Perhaps you know what it is, or it may be your first time hearing about it. But a vision board is usually a collage of images or words that represent what you would like to have or experience in your future. I love vision boarding because it's easy to do for any levels, for anyone, whether you're a kid or an adult. It's fun and enjoyable, and it really works. There's a lot of benefits to creating vision boards. With vision boards, you can visualize your life, and visualizing is a powerful tool we can use. We all have the ability to visualize or create images in our minds. And this mental image influences how we feel, what we think, and the actions that we take. And our actions create the results in our life. Our brains cannot distinguish between what's happening in our lives versus what's happening in our minds. So when we imagine a calm, peaceful place in our minds, our body thinks that we are actually in a calm, peaceful place, even if in reality we're surrounded by chaos. Athletes like to use these visualizing techniques to perform better and achieve impossible feats. So vision boards help us visualize and imagine what we want in our life and actually make it happen. And it's because our thoughts, feelings, and actions start to sync and align with what we visualize in our minds, all in a subconscious way. Vision boards also help you gain clarity when you're stuck. A lot of the times when we're stuck, it's because we don't know what our big goals are and why we're going towards it. So vision boards give you more motivation and inspiration because it gives us a clear picture of what it is that we're actually going towards. And these vision boards also tap into our creative side and improves our mood and our sense of positivity because it naturally helps us focus on the things in life that lights us up, that gives us energy, and gives us that spark. When I created my first vision board, I was so surprised to find that a year later, almost all the things that I put inside my board actually manifested in real life. I realized the power of our minds and the power of images because of this experience. Images have such a deep and powerful impact on our minds and how we feel and actions that we take. And I find that vision boards actually tend to manifest very physically. This is something that I've experienced or realized through my own vision board process, and whatever physical things I put inside the vision board, those things actually came into my life. But I also want to encourage you to focus on how you want to feel rather than the things that you want to have. So how you want to feel and the experiences that you want to have. The joy and the happiness that we experience from possessing things are pretty much short-lived. But the joy and the effect of emotions and experiences have a long-lasting impact on us. When you create a vision board, also take some time to do a little bit of writing and reflection afterwards. Look at your vision board and think about why these things that you have included in the vision board are important. If you had to choose one thing out of the vision board that's the most important thing in your life, what would it be? And how would you feel when all these things happen and actualize in your life? What difference would it make? I also like to keep my vision board stored somewhere safe and just forget about it afterwards. And then after a year, I look at it again. I know some folks like to have their vision board visible somewhere in their room, somewhere where they can see it every day. But I find that you don't have to look at your vision board every day. And just the fact of releasing and letting go and trusting that all these things will happen, and then coming back to the vision board after a time has passed worked really well for me. Even when we are getting clear about our vision for ourselves, it's important to let go of the details about how these things will happen. I find that it's really important to let go of control and release them. I think that in order to receive more good things in life, we have to open up a little bit more. We need to release some control, our tight grip, and sort of surrender to the flow of life. So I want to share with you this affirmation. I trust in my unfolding. I touch the inner peace within me and feel gratitude, knowing that everything is unfolding for my highest good. And I'd like to also leave you with a quote by Rumi. What you seek is seeking you. If you want to go deeper with therapeutic art making and want to discover more about yourself, the things that are holding you back, and how to move forward in your life, all through therapeutic art making, I have some spots open for my one-to-one online therapeutic art sessions. You can see more information in the link below in my description box. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends. I will see you next time.